Okay, next. Suppose that in a government agency, paperwork is constantly flowing among offices according to the diagram. Construct matrix A with elements Aij. One, if paperwork flows directly from I to J. Zero, paperwork does not flow directly from I to J. Okay? And then these are our choices. All right. So dito, we are expecting na meron tayo ditong lima, no? Lima na pagpipilian. So parang ganito yung matrix natin. So ito kunwari yung 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, tapos ito naman yung 1, 2. So kumbaga ito yung mga offices representing rows and columns. So limang office. Okay, so simple lang naman yung instruction niya. Gawa ka ng matrix na 1 ang value kapag merong flow yung ano natin, yung yung office natin from I to J, ibig sabihin from initial to final. So pag sinabing I to J dito, yung arrow representing yung pinanggalingan, ito yung I. Yung pupuntahan, yun yung J, no? So parang gano'n. Alright? So again, yung I representing row, yung J representing the column. So ganito yan. For example, etong 1, no? Etong 1 na to ay meron kang pagkukunan or kumbaga the 1 represents the tail for this arrow and then yung 2 represents the head for this arrow. So parang lumalabas etong 1 pupunta ng 2. Okay? Again, yung I, ito yon, no? Lahat ng to yung I. Kasi yun yung nagre-represent ng row. Ito naman lahat ng J, nagre-represent ng column. Okay? By default kasi yung I tsaka J, yun yung row and column. Okay? So itong arrow na to would represent 1 to 2. So ibig sabihin from 1 to 2. So this will be 1. Okay? Yun yung 1. So 1 to 2. So ano pa? So okay na tayo dito? Okay na yan. Meron ding 2 to 1. So from 2 to 1. So ayan. Okay? And then what else? Okay na rin tayo dito. Dito naman tayo sa 1 to 3. From 1 to 3. Ayan. Okay, so okay na to. And then what else? Dito naman tayo sa 2. 2 to 4. From 2, pupunta ng 4. O di, ito yun, 1. Okay na tayo dyan. Tapos meron pa, 2 to 5. From 2, pupunta ng 5. Ito. Okay? Okay na tayo sa lahat ng 2. Dito naman tayo sa 3. From 3, pupunta ng 5. From 3, pupunta ng 5. 1 yan. Okay na yan. From 3, pupunta ng 4. 3, pupunta ng 4. Okay na to. Check na yan. And then finally, from 4, pupunta ng 3. 4, pupunta ng 3. Okay. And then pansinin nyo, yung 5, wala namang pinupuntahan. So, lahat na to 0. And actually, na-check na natin lahat, no? So, meron ba? 4 to 3 pa pala. 4 to 3. Ito na yun, no? So, okay na to. So, na-check na natin lahat ng arrow, ng flow. So, the rest dito will now be considered 0. Kasi wala nang flow, ibig sabihin. Okay? And that will be our answer. Yan ngayon yung matrix A. Representing yung workflow. Okay? And sa choices, so medyo, ano lang, medyo challenging lang. Hanapin sa choices kasi nakakaduling. Pero definitely, eliminate ko na lang. No? Hindi ito pwede kasi may 1 dito. Okay, looks like B. No? Mukhang B yung sagot. Okay, so I think B is the answer. Okay na itong B, oh. Kamukha niya. Yung C naman, ito, may 1 dito, wala namang 1 dito. Tapos sa D, may 1 dito, wala namang 1. So B nga yung sagot. No? So the answer here is letter B. And that's how you solve this particular problem.